Guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, we are going to discover the coaching snapshot. And this snapshot has, like, for if let's say you are a marketing agency trying to help the coaches, or you are a coach yourself, you will see how some of the done for you websites, some of the done for you automation is really going to help. So let us just quickly jump on and open. This is the website for the coaching, and it is a really thorough website. As you can see, 17 pages in this website for the coaching snapshot. And the best thing about this website, like, first of all, I really like the coloring, and I mean, it looks a really sophisticated one. So this is the home page, about page, services page, Instagram link, blog, contact, podcast, galleries coming soon, right? Portfolio, shop, opt-in, opt-out, opt-in, opt-in long, frequently asked question, testimonial, thank you. Why so many pages? Like, let me just open the first page itself just to show you why so many pages. Because, like, for coaches like you could need a lot of different kind of pages, and all the pages are already there. Now the thing is, do you have to use all the pages? No. Like, let's say you just wanted to use 5 of the pages, so you just put the link, I mean, remove all the other links from the home page, and just refer to the 5 page and let remain other pages as it is, or you can even delete it. And in the future you want to use, let's say, the Instagram page, you can use it and put a link out here. As you can see here, it's like the drop downs. Anybody clicks onto it will land up onto the individual pages. Make your business dreams a reality today, transform your business, uncover roadblocks and stuff, right? So this is like the what are the one-to-one coaching service, group mentoring, virtual training. This is how generally the coaches offer. Now let's say you are offering something new or unique or something different, like you can just edit certain things as per your offering. Now let us just try to see more pages. Let's say this is the services pages, right? So let's say somebody tries to click onto the service pages. As you can see, launch a brand to the new heights with this, and this is the service number 1, get in touch, right? This is the service number 2, this is the price, get in touch. Now these things, you have to do is just click on edit, and within the editor window you just retype the things that you need. You want to change the image, you can change the image, right? Read from my client, the testimonials, you have a different sort of a testimonial, you write, because normally testimonials work really well. You want to put your own image, you want to change the letters, right? But the template is like an amazing template is there. Like, you can literally let other things remain as it is if you want. Now let's say there's a podcast page, let's say there is a gallery page, right? Let's say this one, the portfolio. There is even a coming soon. Let's say you are trying to put something out there as a coming soon category. As well as, I'm going to tell you how do you get this snapshot, as well as all the other snapshot set. So this is the portfolio. As you can see that, okay, this is the work, I mean, XYZ, whatever your specialization is, based on that you would update and edit. But this is actually doing the job for you. Now similarly, like, I wouldn't be opening all the pages, but this gives you just and the idea how does it work. So let me just open the automation part. So here you have the workflows, and within the workflow, as you can see, all the possibilities, like this is the marketing workflow, opt out, somebody just opts out, what is going to happen? The inbound lead, let's say, let me just open it here. As you can see, if somebody message in, how does the nurturing happen? Somebody messages through the chat widget, somebody messages through the Facebook Messenger, through the Google My Business, through the Instagram DM, through the missed call text back. All possible DMs will be nurtured, or the chat will be nurtured by it. And let me just tell you, most of the workflows are in draft, so that we want you to have things working in a controlled way. So you can just check it out, and then all you have to do is just publish or enable it, and it is going to work for you. And before proceeding further, before showing you further, let me just quickly tell you how do you get this snapshot. Guys, it is going to be an easy one. All you have to do is just help us out by signing up using our referral link. I mean, just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. The link will pop up onto the screen, and then you either sign up for the 30-day free trial of the Go High Level using our link. And not just this snapshot, we are going to give you 127 plus snapshot plus one-to-one personal WhatsApp support, which is super amazing. People love it. And if you have already signed up, you just upgrade to the $297 plan. From the same page you will find the link, or upgrade to the $497 plan. Either of the 3 things, we are going to give you the complete snapshot set, as well as one-to-one personal onboarding. Now let's say a lot of people say, I don't want to upgrade right now, I don't want to sign up, is there any way out? And definitely there is a way out. Let me just quickly show you. All you have to do is just help us get onto the leaderboard of the AI employee, and it would not even charge you, it would not even cost you. You just have to put our code. Just go to your agency and just click on settings, just click on AI employee, right? Just click on manage offers, and here all you have to do is just put FP reference is equal to AI bonuses, and click on apply. Now that's it. And just email us after that at abdullah@abdullahzai.com. We will again, like even in this case, we are going to give you the entire snapshot set, like 127 snapshot set, which even include the coaching snapshot, the communities, AI agency, voice AI that sells it. Like I said, the list is huge. People really love the entire snapshot set. And let me tell you, if you try to find out the coaching snapshot or any other snapshot like this online, you would have to pay like thousands of dollars for just one snapshot. So $14,000 plus snapshot you're going to get completely free just by doing this one activity, just putting our code AI bonuses. Now let me just open further the automation part just to complete this. So I just already showed you. Let me just inside out show you how does this lead flow work. Let's say somebody just, let's say the Instagram DM. Now you get an Instagram DM, how this workflow is going to do the job for you as a as a coach that your business is running through it. Now the best part is, like, of course, like you can see through it, or you can even just get this workflow to describe it. Let me just click on workflow to describe it, right? Certainly. So trigger the workflow begins when a customer replies through Instagram. Amazing, right? A tag labeled Instagram is added to the contact. Waiting period, the workflow waits 24 hours to allow the lead to transition from the conversation to potential interest. Then check for contact. If the contact has a phone number, they are considered a lead. If not, the workflow marks them as do not disturb. Now create an opportunity. If they are lead, an opportunity is created in the specific pipeline stage labeled with Instagram as the source. Weekday check. If it's a weekday, message is sent to confirm the interest in a call schedule for the. So basically, it is the workflow is automatically pushing them to book a call, right? And if it's a weekend, then the offer is valid for the Monday, whenever the next Monday is coming. Response monitoring, the contact response, the workflow continues the next part of the campaign. If not, checks during the business hour and follows up with another message. Multiple follow-up SMS, if unattended, a final SMS check if anything is preventing them from proceeding. So this is like as if the entire sales process is going as part of the nurturing. And this is not just for the Instagram, this is just one aspect of the Instagram. Like even with the Facebook message, the missed call text back, the Google My Business, as you can see, all the possibilities. Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, chat widget, Zapier, web form of funnels, right? And this is just one part of the workflow. Now, similarly, let's say you have even the marketing workflows. Within the marketing effort, the new lead nurture appointment confirmation. Somebody books an appointment, and then the reminder is going to send till the time the appointment's scheduled time comes. The appointment no show, right? Let's say somebody books the appointment and he does not show up. Then what sort of sequence should be followed? Now, let's the sale happens, then the review request is being sent through it. Long-term nurture, like email after email for a gap of 1 week, every 1 week, like so. This is the long-term nurture. And even the abandoned leads, right? So as you can see, this marketing workflows is amazing as well. Now opt out, let's say somebody just opts out that, hey, I don't want any of your I just don't want to be disturbed, right? So there could be multiple possibilities where the person either replies unsubscribe, contact does DND, customer replies stop, all three things remove from all the workflows, all set contact DND. So basically no more future uh, follow up or the messaging is going to happen. Um, Now having said that, one more is basically this phone call database reactivation, lead nurture. Again, let's say let us just try to open this one as well. And here as well, like the best way to read the workflows, guys, especially when you see the complicated one, just click on workflow AI and get it described. Opportunities created, and then weekday, weekend, and then follow up. Now, nurturing, like entire nurturing is there. So everything that you need, like one of the best snapshot for the coaching business, I believe, is this one. And I'm sure that you would love to get it. And I can't wait to give you a completely free, no strings attached. Like I will keep my words as other people have my feedback. In fact, I've just made a quick promotional video for you guys to get the entire 127 snapshot. But mind you, even if you put the code AI bonuses into the agency AI employee settings, just email me and I'm going to send you the entire snapshot. Rest, the other thing, just watch the quick promotional video and I'll end it there itself. Watch it. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus, which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.